She is arguing, number one, Johnny is not honoring an early agreement to ensure the same health and safety protocols that were used in his deposition. She's asking for protective measures to be put in place, ostensibly having to do with COVID, and then also ostensibly having to do with just basic security concerns.
Johnny Depp's lawyers have deposed Amber Heard once again, and she is now demanding protection to avoid the deposition.
Amber, you release that video. Who released that video, Amber? Did you release the video?
Amber Heard has proved over the years that she will do anything in her means to make this legal battle difficult for Johnny Depp. I mean, you would think that by now she would have gotten tired of all of this drama. But no, she has still got a few tricks up her sleeve. So what exactly is Amber Heard up to now? Let me break it down for you in this video. Amber Heard has been trying to get rid of her deposition in the Virginia court by making some outrageous demands. At the beginning of the year, Amber filed a motion for a protective order against Johnny Depp concerning the taking of her deposition. Essentially, what she is asking for is protective measures having to do with COVID to be put in place. She also added some security concerns in her motion due to the threats she got from fans. Depositions are usually taken in the office of the attorney who represents the party taking the deposition of the other person. However, Amber Heard doesn't want the venue for the deposition to be known since she claims to have received threats from online haters. But that might not be the actual reason. Amber is actually trying to avoid a public deposition whereby the paparazzi are present to record her reactions and body language. According to her motion, Amber Heard is arguing number one, Johnny is not honoring any early agreement to ensure the same health and safety protocols that were used in his deposition. That Johnny Depp is demanding that she violates law by not wearing a mask while being deposed and refuses to require all persons present to wear a K95 or KN95 masks consistent with CDC guidelines to protect against Omicron. These are the reasons that Amber has listed for the filing motion. However, when you have a close look at the timeline, a different story emerges. She says that last year she began communicating with Depp about health and safety protocols that were going to be put in place. According to Amber, there was some kind of agreement they reached about things that are going to be put in place. However, a month later, at the end of December, Amber decided she wants her deposition to take place on Zoom. As expected, Johnny Depp immediately refused, and this led Amber to start nitpicking all the things she wants to be put in place during the deposition. She specified her health and safety protocols and added, providing a contact at the local police department, facilitating safe and private building ingress and egress, providing safety measures inside the building to ensure the public could not access the deposition area, ensuring cleaning measures for the building, restroom, and deposition areas, lunch arrangements to avoid having to leave the building, arrangements with the court reporter for plexiglass barriers, and assurances that all persons physically present are fully vaccinated and received a booster. Amber Heard is clearly trying to impose vaccination and mask mandates since she knows that Johnny Depp will not allow her to wear a mask during the deposition. Amber even goes ahead to use her baby to get her motion approved. Attempts to prohibit Ms. Heard from wearing a mask during her deposition, notwithstanding Ms. Heard having every right to wear a mask to protect her own safety and that of her infant child, not to mention others in the room, Amber says in her motion. However, according to experts, her not wearing a mask isn't an issue since everyone else in the courtroom will be masked and observing social distance. So according to fans, this seems just like one of Amber's many attempts to delay the deposition. She didn't look so scared of COVID-19 a couple months ago when she did that lineup with L'Oreal models, when she pushed that woman to the back to get all the attention. They weren't distancing or wearing masks, but now she's suddenly scared, one fan commented. Another one added, "Problem is, I don't think that Amber is smart enough to realize that she's painting herself to be the the very guilty party in this whole dumpster fire with all the diversion tactics, crazy protective orders, etc. I hope Johnny can get this whole thing overturned. Other fans went ahead to call her out for using her baby, with one fan saying, "Using a baby as an excuse to evade the law? Good mom, Amber, unbelievable. Not afraid to go unmasked or go on vacay or promote movies?" Another one added, "First time she used the baby, but it won't be the last." Amber Heard's first deposition was full of drama just like this one.
The impact of which was significant in and of itself. He grabs my grabs my head, takes a fistful of my hand.
Amber Heard did pretty much everything but testify on the day she was supposed to sit for a deposition in her domestic violence case against the estranged husband, Johnny Depp. At least that's the suggestion of the court papers filed by Depp's attorney. In a motion filed by Depp's lawyer, Laura Wasner, accusing Heard of dragging her feet and making a scene when she was scheduled to be deposed. Amber continues to delay litigation, the court papers read. After showing up nearly 2 hours late to her court-ordered deposition, Amber refused to go on the record to testify at all. She refused to testify despite repeated requests from Johnny's counsel and instead sat with her lawyers, cried on the telephone, yelled, screamed, and paced in a separate room. According to TMZ, legal documents stated that to no fault of her own, Heard was unable to arrange for a flight to travel from London. Heard's lawyers went on to allege Johnny's legal representatives have been wagging a malicious war in an attempt to stop her from speaking out. The Magic Mike XXL star's lawyers Samantha Spector and Joseph Koenig said, "Johnny's counsel continues to wage a malicious war against Amber in the court of public opinion in an effort to intimidate and discourage Amber from telling the truth." They added, "It is a disturbing shame that Johnny's lawyers continue to pursue a relentless personal attack against Amber." Heard filed for divorce from the Pirates of the Caribbean star in May after a little more than a year of marriage and obtained a temporary restraining order against Depp days later. Heard claims that Depp had been abusive to her throughout their relationship and cited in particular an alleged May 21st incident at the couple's Los Angeles residence, during which she claims Depp injured her by striking her in the face with a cell phone. However, these claims have been proven false by people around her over the years. Amber's friends, such as Laura Devenir, have taken the stand in court and called out her lies. Laura took the stand and denied the injuries and bruises that Amber Heard claimed she had after a fight she cited happened. She was there with Amber after the alleged fight but didn't see any bruises at all. Heard tried to refute this, but Johnny Depp's teams proved that her testimony was legitimate. After her testimony, Laura was immediately exiled from Amber Heard's inner circle of friends. And now that the fans have realized how Amber Heard reacts to the deposition process, they are ready for any drama that might unfold soon. The depositions are a source of great anxiety, and it might be because of the guilt she is feeling about wrongfully accusing Johnny Depp. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching.